Welcome back everybody to my first video of 2021. This is actually a product that released last year. Well, technically last month, let's not be so dramatic, but it wasn't Christmas themed and it's hardly considered New Year's themed. So I definitely wanted to show it off to you guys as my first video in 2021, especially considering the subscription window for January bags is still open. Anyways, so what I'm touching here are Mylar balloons that say 2021, and it came with a little air pump. No helium though, so I'm gonna have to stick these to my wall instead of letting them just inflate and float. So I get the I Want It All OG subscription for $64.99, meaning I get all of the things. I love all the things. I get all the things. I want all the things. That's basically the summary of why I have so much dip powder in the first place. What I'm showing you here is the 1 ounce color that came in the OG bag. Only one of the colors usually comes in a 1 ounce size. This one is a flaky gorgeousness. And if you haven't caught on already, the theme of the bag is Las Vegas casino style themed, which I think is really cool. And why I love Sparkle & Co. subscription bags so much is because it's a full experience. It also came with a 1 ounce of clear dip powder. It was more of a gift. Getting a 1 ounce of clear is not traditional in the subscription bag. Sometimes Sparkle & Co. will throw in a bonus, but every other color is a mini size, so 0.25 ounces. It usually holds 2 to 2.5 teaspoons, and this one is my favorite. So I'm going to go through and show you guys every single color and its swatch. Okay, I have to pop in and talk about how this is my favorite out of all the colors that came in this subscription. And it makes me happy to be an I Want It All subscriber because only people who subscribe to I Want It All levels get the I Want It All color. So it is super ultra exclusive. I also get gel polishes, and the liquid that we got for the gel part is Gel Protect. It really just helps make sure things don't chip, and it came with 3 colors, and you can see the colors at the top here. I really do like that they have those caps there with the colors on the top. So when I'm grabbing colors, when I'm getting it out of my storage, I know exactly what I'm reaching for. And I'm in love with the confetti color. So I usually wear confetti popped, which is SB35 from Sparkle & Co. as my New Year's Eve color. But I think this year I'm going to switch it up for the other confetti color in this bag, which the name is slipping my mind. But I like that they included for gel levels a confetti like color as well. And this purple's kind of cute too. So this is the bread and butter and what comes in, I believe, every single bag, but don't quote me on that. Definitely everybody gets a sticker. I love that they customize the stickers to match the theme. And if you like collecting stickers and putting in your planner like I do, hey. I also have a gold polish, which is great for doing nail art and painting my toes. You guys know I love nail art, so I definitely love their polishes. I also love that they have these confetti cutouts. They're super themed to the subscription bag, and they're just so unique, and it makes you feel like that whole vibe, everything goes together. They also included some stickers, I believe, to the $44.99 and up bags. I saw someone do an amazing mani, I think with the cards on this one, don't quote me. And every single bag comes with this information card. It tells you about all the contests, all of the colors that come in the bag. It's a very great information card. And then on the reverse side, it tells you the passcode. It also tells you how the referral program works, which I'm going to cover a little bit later on the end. But the passcode to getting every exclusive color, if you want to buy more, you can buy more of all of these colors and any color that was released in the last 90 days. So it's funny that they included a deck of cards in this month's subscription because we were just hunting down where our deck of cards were. We moved into this house in May, so we're still kind of finding certain things, like all of our Christmas stuff. So we couldn't find our deck of cards to play Rummy 500 the other day, so this is perfect. Anyways, I love these cards, and I'm actually probably not gonna let my boyfriend touch these because they're gorgeous. And when I shuffle decks of cards, I actually bend the cards to shuffle them, like not actual like bend. I don't know how to explain it, but the way I shuffle them, I just like have half the stack in one hand, half the stack in the other hand, and I like make them like intertwine with each other. And that's how I like to shuffle my cards. I really just love these. They're so freaking gorgeous. Okay, so time to cover the referral program. Sparkle & Co. has two different type of referral systems. One is for sub bags, the other is for first time orders on regular purchases. If you order a sub bag and it's your first time, you can use my name at checkout when it asks if someone referred you, and you'll get an $18 store credit on future use in a couple of weeks after your sub bag ships. If it is your first order, it is a $9 store credit that you can use when you use my name at checkout. And another cool perk is if you've been subscribed to the sub bag for 6 months, you get an anniversary credit for your loyalty of $18. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I really do hope that you enjoyed this unboxing, and I'm in love with this theme. I love the brighter confetti, like all those colors. They scream totally me. Anyways, if you like what you saw and you want to come back for more, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!